So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how does a calculate function works in Power BI DAX. So calculate function evaluates an expression in a modified filter context. So for this tutorial, I'll be working with this online retail dataset. It has mainly 5 columns: order date, category, sales, quantity, and profit. Now let's say I want to calculate the sum of sales done by the technology category. So this I will do with the help of calculate function. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, go to table tools and click on new measure. And over here, let's give it a name as let's say sales underscore technology is equal to, and we are going to use the calculate function. My expression one will be sum of sales is equal to, and over here we can give n number of filters, but over here we have only one filter, so I will do that. So my category should be equal to the technology, and just hit enter. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created a new measure at sales and underscore technology. Let's get back to the report pen and just select this measure and let's see what it returns to us. So instead of bar, let's say I want a card. So as you guys can see, this is the sum of sales done by only technology category. So in this way, we can make use of calculate function which is there in Power BI DAX. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.